Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Card Product Badges add-on. Now this impressive add-on allows the admin to attach custom badges labels to the products and thereby can be used to emphasize and promote the products in a very effective manner. Product badges can be displayed on the product list page, product details page or everywhere as required. Multiple badges can be assigned to one product at the same time as well. So this way the admin can draw the customer's attention to the products and improve the conversion rates there. So this add-on all in all allows the admin to create custom text and image badges, attach badges to single product or all products of a category, specify the badge position on product image, specify the time frame during which a badge will be displayed, and an option to disable the default discount label as well. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you the badge view on the storefront, initial configuration settings of this particular plugin, the badge management, and how to attach badge to a particular product from the admin backend panel for a particular product there. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm on the CS Card web store front end and I'm on one of the products, that's the 100G pants. And here on the product image, you can see that I've attached three different badges to this particular product, like the new, sale and hot. Now the same is visible on the category pages as well. If you see, I'm on the men's clothing category right now, and for the same product we have the new, sale and hot badges that I've assigned to this particular product there. So this is how the what we say as these badges or the product badges appear on the storefront to the customers there. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let me show you the rest of the workflow there. That includes the initial backend configuration of this particular plugin, the badge management, and how to attach badges to a product as well, and how to assign the badges to a particular category as well. For that, let me take you to the admin backend panel. And let's log into the admin backend panel by entering the username or the email and the password and tapping on the sign in button thereafter. Now the very first thing that I want to show you is the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. For that, I'll be navigating to add-ons and manage add-ons. And here what I'll be doing is I'll be searching for badge. So here we are having the product badge, as you can see, and it allows to add custom badges to products in your store. So here I'll be tapping on the settings option. Now here you have the option to hide the default discount label that's there within the default system itself. So if you check this option, then what will happen is that you'll be able to hide the default discount label that would be applicable on the products there. And hiding the default label would allow you to set up the custom product badges on the products there. So after checking this particular option here, you need to tap here on the save configuration button. So this was the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin, that's the CS Card Product Badges add-on. Now let me show you the badge management. For the badge management, what you need to do is you need to navigate to products, and here you have to scroll down to the product badges, wherein you'll be able to view, add and edit the badges for your store. So let's tap here on the product badge. Now here you can see that I've already created a few badges like new, sales, hot, popular, sold out and free shipping badges, as you can see here. And this particular section gives us a complete overview of the badges that we have created. To add a new badge, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add button on the top right hand corner. So if I tap on that, that brings up the new badge section, wherein we need to fill in the appropriate details to create a new badge. So for this particular video tutorial, what I'll be doing is I'll be editing one badge and I'll be showing you what different information that needs to be entered to create a new badge. So for that, I'll just go back to the badge listing or the product badge listing section here, and I'll be editing this new badge that I've created by tapping here and tapping on the edit option there. Now you can see that whenever we are creating a new badge, we are having two different sections there. One is the general and one is the categories. Now under the general, what we need to do is we need to give the name of the badge that would be visible at the store front end. For example, we are creating a new one. Here you can see on the top left hand corner of the product image, we have the new badge associated, right? Now we can add an image or text label can also be added for the badge there. Let's go back. So we'll set up the name of the new badge. We'll set the priority. Higher priority will get the preference over the lower one. So here you can set the priority for your badge there. Then you have to set the status as active or disabled. So we'll set it as active. Then we'll choose the position. So here we'll be setting the position of the badge on the product images. So we have top left, top right, middle, center, bottom left and bottom right. Here on the right hand side you can see also we have the badge preview section wherein we can see the preview. So right now we have set the position as top left. If I choose it as top right, it would be taken to the top right hand corner. Middle center, then it would be set to middle center, bottom left and bottom right. So for the time being we'll set it as top left there, and in the preview as well we can see the same. Then we have the show on. So here you have to select the view pages where you want to show your badges on the product image. So you can go with everywhere, product list page, product details page. So you can choose where to show, or you have to select the view pages where you want to show your badges there basically. So I've chosen it as everywhere, so it will be shown on the product list page and the product details page as well. So here's the product details page and on the category page as well. Now let's come back. Then we have stop other badges. So if you for example if you want to stop other badges from applying to this in place of this one, then you have to check this option here. So tick if you want to stop other badges and show only this badge, and higher priority will get the preference there. Then we have the apply time period. So here what you'll be able to do is, if you tick this particular option, then you'll be able to schedule this badge availability. Available till should be greater than the available from, otherwise dates will swap there. Then we have the, if you check this option, then you have to give the availability from and availability till of this particular badge. Then we have the badge type. Now the badge type can be of two types. One is the image type and one is the text type. Right now you can see that we are on the image one, so we have uploaded one image for the new product badge there, and accordingly we have set the image size, its opacity, margin top, margin left, margin right there for the image within the product image itself. So now this was the image kind of the product badge there, and the same is visible here on the product page wherever you have basically set the position for the badge there. Accordingly there the badge would be visible. So for example, if I choose it as text, then you have to enter the badge text that would be visible here. So the badge preview can be viewed as well. So for example, if I choose the badge text as new badge, so the same is visible here. As you can see within the badge preview on the top left hand corner, the new badge would be visible. Now if I save it up and I come back to the product page here, you can see that initially we had set the product badge as the image there. Now we have selected it as image. Now if I refresh this page, you can see that the text that I had entered, the new badge, is visible here on the top left hand corner as well. So you can make use of the text there or the image for the product badge that you are going to create. Now let's come back, and now let's make it as image once again, and let me save it up, and let me refresh this page once again. Let me refresh the page, and as soon as the page refreshes, we have the image product badge once again visible on the top left position where we had set it up. So that's how easily you can create a product badge under the product and then going to the product badge, and here tapping on the create badge and entering the name, priority, status, position, show on, choosing the type as, and the rest of the configuration that I've shown for this particular one that we have already created, the new one. And you can choose the badge type as image or text. So I've shown you both of them, and I've shown them both on the product badge, how the text badge and how the image badge appears on the product image itself on the position where you have set it up, right? Now here we also have the categories. If I go to the categories here, I'll be able to add the categories where this particular badge should be applicable to. I can choose it on all categories, and I can tap here on the add categories and close. And the particular badge would be assigned to all of the categories there. So now if I refresh this particular page here on the store front end, you can see the particular badges are visible here on the products within the category there. So that's how you can assign a particular badge to multiple categories at the same time. Now, how to assign a badge to a particular product? For that, what you need to do is you need to go to product and then products. Here you can do it for a newly created product as well, or for an already created product. So for example, if I go to the 100G pants and I tap on that, then I need to go to the product badge tab, and here I need to select the badges that I want to assign to this particular one. So here you can see that we have the new, sale and hot one assigned, new, sale and hot one assigned to this particular product on the product image for the 100G pants. Now I can choose one more. For example, I want to assign one more to this one. I can choose it as sold out and popular as well, and I can tap here on the save button to save the particular badges to this particular product, that's the 100G pants. So you can assign a single one or multiple badges to a same product at the same time there, and the same would then be reflected on the storefront on the product page itself. So here you can see that now we have the sold out and the popular one as well visible on the product image itself. So that's how this particular plugin, that's the CS Cart product badge add-on, allows the admin to attach custom badges or labels to the products, and thereby can be used to emphasize and promote the products in a very effective manner. Alright, so I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow of this particular plugin at the storefront and at the admin backend panel as well. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.